And we're back. Today it's gonna be short but sweet, kind of like my wife. I got this friend, his name's Willie. I should bust out a rhyme, but that would be silly. Now actually, my friend Willie, apparently he has a 1932 something or another. I have no idea. All I know is it has license plates that have been painted. Now they need lettered. Look at that. Pretty sweet. The correct color code for this in Texas in 1932 for passenger vehicle is white lettering on a green plate. Obviously the plates are green, that's how they came, so it is up to us to put some white lettering on them. So, that being said, we have our full arsenal of tools. Come on over here. There you go. Scuff pad. One-shot polar white. Hanson Tilly quills, a 0 and a number 2. Our 3 stages of mineral spirits for cleaning our brush. Our brush preservative for maintaining our brush. Stir sticks, paletting palette, which ironically is also a Texas license plate. Ooh. I know, that's pretty clever. I'll show you that one later. So we're gonna get to it. We got like a day and a half to knock this out. Plus, this video has to be ready for you guys tomorrow. So I gotta get crack-a-lackin'. So without further ado, let's roll. First things first. Red Scotch-Brite scuff pad. Well, 3M, but who's counting? We need to cut this down to size because we don't want to scuff any of this pretty green paint. Hella huge scissors. Just a little sliver. There we go. Get one of these out of the way and one of these ready to play. Now we just need to create a little bit of tooth, so we're not taking this all the way down to bare metal or anything. So just a little light scuffing. There we go. And we'll see it as we go. Now, is this totally necessary? Probably not. It's just, this is the way that I've been taught, so that's how I'm doing it. Who taught me, you ask? I taught me. Yep, that's right. Me and old Hard Knocks. Decently scuffed. Now we're going to give them a little once over with some mineral spirits to get all that scuffy dust off of there, any grease from the fingers, and anything else that may have accumulated on these plates. by the time they left Willie to the time they got to me. And as you can tell, I didn't go crazy on the scuffing. We didn't break through the paint or the clear, if there's clear on these. Just enough to give it a little bit of tooth. There we go. All right, now I'm gonna do my letters first. So I'm gonna get this guy loaded up, and we're gonna mix up some Polar White. And yeah, that's about it. Not too shabby. Everything else is for the smaller brush. And as a matter of fact, I'm going to step this up to a number 4 to see how it handles these. And I'll either like it or I won't, but you'll see. Our numbers are done. Plate 1. Plate 2. Not too shabby. Now I'm gonna go in with my 0, do my star and my letters, and then we're gonna come back with probably number 1 King 13 and stripe it up. So, and go. Almost there. Check it out. Now we gotta fire up Sword Striper and hit these all the way around. And we are ahead of schedule. Mr. Willie is gonna be silly with joy. And hopefully we can get all this edited up so you guys can have it at noon. So here's the tough part. This line right here, it's actually a ridge, so you have to keep your brush right on the spine, and you hold your breath when you pull. At least I hold my breath when I pull a line, or at least until I turn purple. But check this out, man. What a pain in the butt, but it's cool. All right, 1. We will quit while we're ahead. It's good. That's it. Later.